How to clear history in Reddit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can clear history in Reddit, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear history in Reddit, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all make sure that you've updated the Reddit app to the latest version, and then once you've done that, all you need to do is just go ahead and launch the Reddit app. And then once you launch the Reddit app, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, you'll be able to see this type of interface where if you scroll down, you'll find the option called history. Just tap on the history tab, and then over here you'll be able to see all of your Reddit watch history. And to delete either of this history, just tap on the three dots at the top right hand side. You'll find the option called clear history. Just tap on it and your history will be successfully deleted. This is simply how you can clear your history in Reddit. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.